Hello my dear students. So this class we are discussing about magnetic effect of electric current. So magnetic effect of electric current. See, what is magnetic effect of electric current? That one already we have discussed. Okay. See here, this is magnetic field of electric current. We discussed the magnetic field due to a current straight conductor, that is straight conductor carrying the current, and magnetic field due to a circular loop. In this class we will be discussing about the magnetic field due to a current in a solenoid. So magnetic field due to a current in solenoid. Magnetic field due to current in solenoid. So first we should know what is a solenoid, and we have to understand what is the magnetic field due to a current carrying solenoid. Okay, so what is solenoid? You know this. Okay, solenoid is will be like this. In the diagram you can see that. Okay, it will be like this, right? So the magnetic field lines are like this, and it will be closely wrapped. Okay, so here the lines will be like this, and here you can see the lines will be like this. Yes, so there are straight lines inside the solenoid, and after that you can see AB, that is they are moving from this side to this side, that is north to south. So they have taken north this side, south this side, they are moving like this. Okay, so they are moving like this, that is north to south. Here also from north to south you can see. The diagram is not that much clear, so please from the textbook you refer the diagram. Here I will just explain how it will work. Okay. Yes. See, from the page number 229 you can see a solenoid there. So please from that diagram you draw the solenoid clearly and neatly. So this is the diagram. Okay, so from this you can draw the solenoid. Okay, here look all of you. So what happens here is magnetic field due to current. So first, what is solenoid? It is the coil with many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of cylinder. See, this is a coil with insulated copper wire. A coil with insulated copper wire. A coil with insulated copper wire. Okay. A coil with many circular turns of insulated copper wire. A coil with many circular turns of insulated copper wire closely in the shape, wrapped closely in the shape of cylinder. Wrapped closely in the shape of cylinder. They are wrapped closely in the shape of cylinder. A coil with many insulated copper turns. So this is a coil with many circular turns of insulated copper wire. A coil with many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of cylinder. Notice, you insulated copper wire you in hakirdare iದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು coil ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ insulated copper wire ಅನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು coil ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ insulated copper wire ಸುತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸುತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ? It is in the shape of cylinder. A coil with many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely. They are closely to each other. Wrapped closely in the shape of cylinder. This one you have to by hand. Solenoid you should understand and you have to buy it. Solenoid question will definitely come. Maximum chances of the question of definition coming solenoid. Define solenoid. A coil with many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped in the shape of cylinder is called solenoid. So what happens with solenoid? A current carrying solenoid produces similar pattern of magnetic field as a bar magnet. See, you have seen already bar magnet. So how the bar magnet will be? So they produce this like things. So say this is north, this is south. Okay. So they are usually going to produce like this. Yes, from north to south. Similar way here. This is north, this is south. Similar way, the field lines will be produced by a solenoid. Solenoid produces the same amount of field lines that are produced by bar magnet. Similar pattern. One end of the solenoid always behaves as north pole because it is just like a bar magnet. One end behaves as north pole, other end behaves as south pole. Magnetic field due to a current carrying solenoid. So here one end behaves north pole and the other end behaves as south pole. You should remember this. Okay. Yes, magnetic field lines are parallel inside the solenoid. See, magnetic field lines are inside the solenoid. How they are? They are parallel. So magnetic field lines are parallel inside the solenoid. Okay. Similar to a bar magnet, which shows that magnetic field is same at all points inside the solenoid. Magnetic field is same at all the points inside the solenoid. Magnetic field should be same at all the points inside a solenoid. See here, this one will be asked. Magnetic field inside the solenoid is the same because magnetic field lines are parallel to each other. Inside the solenoid, magnetic field lines are parallel to each other. Hence, the magnetic field at any point inside the solenoid is identical, or we can say same. Okay. Yes. Magnetic field produced by solenoid is similar to bar magnet. This one we discussed already. So magnetic field produced by solenoid is similar to the bar magnet. Magnetic field lines parallel inside a solenoid similar to bar magnet, which shows that magnetic field is same at all points inside the solenoid. So the magnetic field is same at all points inside the solenoid. So I hope this one you have to understand. This is a solenoid. Okay, in the solenoid, the magnetic field lines are parallel. That means they are having the same magnetic field at every point. Inside the solenoid, at every point, the magnetic field will be same. The strength of magnetic field is proportional to the number of turns and magnitude of current. See, the strength of magnetic field is proportional to the number of turns and magnitude. This one you already know, last we have discussed in bar magnet also. As the number of turns increases, the strength of the magnetic field increases. As the current flowing through the solenoid increases, magnetic field strength increases. So magnetic field strength here depend on the number of turns. Second one, current through the solenoid. Current through the solenoid. Current through the solenoid. Number of turns and current through the solenoid. Okay. See, the magnetic field is due to number of turns and current through the solenoid. Okay. Yes. Now, by producing a strong inside a solenoid, magnetic material C. By producing the strong magnetic field inside a solenoid, if you produce a strong magnetic field, so the magnetic materials can be created. That magnetic materials can be magnetized. Magnet formed by producing magnetic field inside a solenoid called electromagnet. See, here by putting some magnetic material like iron like material and other like materials, we can create magnetic material into what we can say magnet. So that magnet is called electromagnet because it is created by both electric and magnetic field. So it is called electromagnet. So this process, what we are saying is formation of electromagnet. So let us clear here. I hope this one you are clearing the things. So let me explain you clearly what happens. From the first, magnetic field due to current carrying solenoid. Solenoid will be like this. So what is solenoid? It is a coil with insulated number of insulated or many number of insulated copper wires. Okay, it is a coil with many circular turns. They should be having turns of insulated copper wire which are closely wrapped in the form of cylinder. Cylinder form closely wrapped. Okay, so this exactly behaves like a bar magnet. So there is one north pole and one south pole for the solenoid. Okay, so it generally behaves like a bar magnet. So the magnetic field lines produced are similar to the magnetic field lines produced by the bar magnet. But inside the solenoid, the magnetic field lines are parallel. That means at every point of the inside the solenoid, the magnetic field is same or identical. Okay, so outside the solenoid, of course, they ends at south and starts from north. That one we have seen. And the electric current or the magnetic field produced depends on two things: number of turns and current through the solenoid. If the number of turns are more, the electric current, magnetic field strength will be more. If the current through the solenoid is more, magnetic field strength will be more. So this is regarding the complete factor of solenoid. And by keeping the magnetic materials in the solenoid, we can convert the magnetic material into magnet. So that magnet is called as electromagnet. That one we will see. What is that electromagnet? So this one you have to understand regarding solenoid. But solenoid solenoid definition outside bar magnet north to south, but inside parallel. This is very important. Solenoid magnetic field lines parallel. Every point inside the magnetic every point in the magnetic field same. Parallel at every point the magnetic field is same. So that we can say for that. Okay. Yes. So after this, we go for electromagnet. What is electromagnet? Okay. An electromagnet consists of a long coil of insulated copper wire wrapped on a soft iron magnet formed by producing magnetic field. So I will rub this. So electromagnet. Electromagnet. An electromagnet consists of a long coil of insulated copper. And electromagnet, what it does, it consists of an electromagnet consists of what? What it is consisting of? Long coil of insulated copper wire. Long coil of insulated copper wire. Long coil of insulated copper wire. An electromagnet consists of long coil of insulated copper wire. Okay. Then an electromagnet consists of long coil of insulated copper wire wrapped on a soft iron. Wrapped on a soft iron, wrapped on a soft iron. Okay, magnet wrapped on a soft iron. Magnet formed by producing magnetic field inside a solenoid is called electromagnet. Okay, magnet formed by producing magnetic field, formed by producing magnetic field inside, producing magnetic field inside magnetic field inside a solenoid, is called bar magnet. Is called bar magnet. Okay, sorry, I called it as, this is electromagnet. So I will explain you this. So diagram you can see, just the diagram will be like this. Okay, so this is North Pole, this is South Pole. This is soft iron core. See, inside of it, soft iron core will be there. Soft iron core. Yes. So I will explain this. Okay. See here. What is an electromagnet? An electromagnet consists of a long coil of insulated copper wire. This is a long coil of insulated copper wire wrapped on a soft iron. Note, this soft iron is ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸುತ್ತುದು. ಈ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಏನು ಸುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊಲಿನೈಡ್. ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಸೊಲಿನೈಡ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಐರನ್ ಕೋರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, ದ ಐರನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಟು electromagnet. So that is called insulated copper wire wrapped on a soft iron. So wrapped on a soft iron. So what is electromagnet? Magnet formed by producing magnetic field inside a solenoid is called electromagnet. If they ask you to define electromagnet, you can just write this also. Magnet formed by producing magnetic field inside a solenoid. Magnet formed by producing magnetic field inside a solenoid is called electromagnet. What is electromagnet? Magnet formed by producing magnetic field inside a solenoid is called electromagnet. See here, the most important thing is we have to use only magnetic materials. 90% of the time we are using here soft iron core. Why soft iron core? Because it is a magnetic material. If other materials are used also okay, but maximum we use soft iron core. So what it is containing? It is containing insulated copper wire that are wounded on soft iron core. Okay, copper and in ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸುತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸುತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸುತ್ತಿದ ನಂತರ that turns to solenoid. ಅದು ಸೊಲಿನಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡೂ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದಟ್ ಐರನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ electromagnet. So an electromagnet consists of long coil of insulated copper wire wrapped on a soft iron. Magnet formed by producing magnetic field inside a solenoid is called electromagnet. So what is electromagnet? This is the magnet produced by keeping, or magnet formed by producing magnetic field inside a solenoid. is called electromagnet. So up to what we have discussed in this chapter, so we have discussed from the first magnetic effects of electric current, magnetic field and field lines, magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor, magnetic field due to a current through a straight conductor, right hand thumb rule, then magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop, then magnetic properties of magnetic field lines, then magnetic field due to current in a solenoid. These all we discussed. Tomorrow we can discuss force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. Force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. Some questions are there, let us discuss those also. Okay, here example 13.1 is there, just I will read that. A current through a horizontal, just go through page number 228. A current through a horizontal power line flows in east to west direction. What is the direction of magnetic field at a point directly below it and at a point directly above it? Okay. See, the current is in the horizontal power line, flows in the east to west direction. Current in the east to west. Okay, so this is east, this is west, east to west direction. Okay. Then what is there? What is the direction of magnetic field at a point directly below it? So here what is the direction of magnetic field and at a point directly above it? Here what is the direction of magnetic field? So the current is in the east west direction. Applying the right hand thumb rule, we get the magnetic field turns clockwise in plane perpendicular to the when viewed from the east end, anti-clockwise when viewed from the west end. Okay. Note that. Now right hand thumb rule apply ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so right hand thumb rule. So if you apply like this, you can see here. So this is the current straight. The wire wire working on the current. So let me take a pen. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ ಅದ, ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ವೈರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಹೊಂಟದ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಐತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೊಂಟದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹೊಂಟದ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಥಂಬ್ ರೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದ ನಮ್ದು ಹೆಬ್ಬೆರಳು ಥಂಬ್ ರೂಲ್. ಥಂಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಬ್ಬೆರಳು. ಸೊ ಹೆಬ್ಬೆರಳಿಂದ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನದ ತೆಳಗದ, ತೆಳಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್. ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್. ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗದ, ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅದ, ಹೊರಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೊರಗಿನಿಂದ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್. ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಫ್ಲೆಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೂಲ, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೂಲ ಮತ್ತು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಥಂಬ್ ರೂಲ ಅವು ಮೂರನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ರೂಲ್. So we can discuss it, or we can discuss it in the next class also. I hope we will discuss that one. Yes, we can discuss that in the next class. Maxwell's corkscrew rule. It is also nothing but right hand thumb rule only, called as Maxwell's corkscrew rule also. So just concentrate on that. And the videos will be, I will be sending other videos also, because this chapter is a little bit imaginary. Okay, you cannot see the magnetic field lines directly. You have to imagine, you have to understand. That is why this chapter is little bit imaginary. That is why you have to watch other videos also. I will be sending other videos of this chapter, so please watch the videos. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay, so here mainly they are asking the questions based on directions, definitions. Okay, and last there are electric generator and electric motor. They will be asking the questions based on that. Okay, so if you don't understand, please let me know in WhatsApp. So please watch the videos, and if I send the remaining videos, those videos also you watch and do the regular homework. Thank you.